Have you ever wondered why some people make money even while they sleep, while others grind every day just to stay afloat? The truth is, wealthy people aren't working harder than you. They're playing a different game. They don't trade time for money. They own assets that pay them month after month, whether they show up or not. And here is the kicker. You don't need a lot of money to start building them. In this video, we breaking down the exact assets that pay me monthly, even if you're starting from zero, using principles straight from the playbook of Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So stick around. This could be the video that changes your financial future. Section 1. Why most people stay broke. From childhood, we're taught one thing about money. Go to school, get a job, work hard, save, and invest in your 401k. Then retire at 65. Maybe. That formula, it's broken. Robert Kiyosaki said it best. The poor and middle class work for money. The rich make money work for them. If your only income comes from your paycheck, you're stuck in the rat race, trading hours for dollars. But here's the truth. Wealthy people buy assets, not liabilities. So what are the assets that actually pay you each month, even if you broke today? 2. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Let's start with one of the most underrated income-generating assets today. Digital products. You don't need to write the next Rich Dad, Poor Dad to cash in. You just need to solve a problem with your knowledge. Here are examples of digital products anyone can create. A 10-page PDF guide, a digital planner or template, a mini course or tutorial series. These can be sold on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, Payhip, Canva. 4. Templates. You create it once and it sells forever. No inventory, no employees, no shipping. Whether you're working, traveling, or sleeping, your asset is working for you. Action step. Brainstorm 3 problems you've solved in your life. Package one into a simple digital product and list it for free on Gumroad today. 3. Affiliate marketing. Recommend and get paid. What if you could make money recommending products you already use without ever building anything? That's affiliate marketing. You join a program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Coursera, Shopify. You get a custom link. When someone clicks and buys, you get paid. The best part? Write one blog post, make one video, send one email. That content can generate income forever. Action step. Sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. Record a 2-minute video reviewing your favorite product. Post it to YouTube. Add your affiliate link in the description. 4. YouTube as a cash flow machine. YouTube isn't just for influencers, it's the most powerful digital real estate platform on the internet. A single video can pay you in 4 ways: ad revenue, affiliate links, sponsorships, product sales. The best part? You can do it without showing your face. Thousands of faceless channels are making 6 figures annually using stock footage, voiceovers, AI tools. Your channel becomes an asset that generates cash flow 24/7. Action step. Choose a niche. Script 3 videos. Use tools like Pictory or InVideo to create your first faceless video. Upload it with SEO-optimized titles and tags. 5. Real estate without owning property. Real estate is Kiyosaki's #1 cash-flowing asset. But you don't need millions to start. Here are 3 ways to earn from real estate without owning. 1. Rental arbitrage. Lease a property long-term, furnish it, and sublet short-term via Airbnb. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Buy shares in large property portfolios via stock platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity. 3. Partnerships. Team up with investors. You bring marketing, management, or sweat equity. They bring the capital. Action step. Open a brokerage account and research 3 REITs. Invest $10-50 and track their dividend payments monthly. 6. Dividend stocks. Cash flow from ownership. If you're not investing for cash flow, you're investing blind. Dividend-paying stocks send you income just for owning them. Examples include Johnson & Johnson Coca-Cola Realty Income Corp., the monthly dividend company. These companies reward shareholders every quarter, sometimes monthly. Index funds like VTI or SCHD also offer dividend income with broad market exposure. Action step: start small. Buy $50 of a dividend stock. Reinvest the payouts automatically. Over time, your portfolio becomes a paycheck machine. 7. Becoming the bank. Peer-to-peer lending. What if instead of borrowing money, you became the lender? Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding let you lend to people or small businesses, invest in real estate deals. You earn interest just like a bank. Platforms: Lending Club, Ground Floor, Fundrise, Prosper. Action step: choose one platform. Invest $100 into a diversified loan or deal. Monitor your interest income monthly. 8. Building systems, not just businesses. Most people leave a job just to build themselves a worse job. Kiyosaki draws a sharp line. Self-employed, you work the system. Business owner, irikin. The system works without you. A true business should generate income without you being there. Be scalable through systems and outsourcing. Run 24/7 thanks to automation tools. Action step: build a simple funnel, create a digital product, set up Gumroad, use Zapier to automate delivery, use email automation to upsell. Pay attention. Policy shifts in 2025 could impact your passive income strategies. Key updates to watch. New IRS rules on digital payments, 1099-Ks for 600 plus income, potential tax hikes on dividends and capital gains, real estate regulation tightening short-term rentals, SEC guidelines for affiliate disclosures, and creator income. Action step: track income from all your assets. Use tools like Notion, Wave, or QuickBooks to stay compliant and optimized for tax season. The wealthy don't have more hours in the day. They just use their hours to build assets, not chase paychecks. You don't need to be rich to get started, but you must get started to be rich. Comment below: I am building cash flow starting today. If this video opened your eyes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss strategies that move you closer to financial freedom. And share this with one person still stuck in the rat race. Remember, it's not about hustling harder, it's about building smarter. You now have the blueprint. Let's build.